Hello there, welcome to Snaidero Houston. We are a full-service showroom specializing in the design, planning, installations, and service of luxury Italian Snaidero kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, living units, closet systems, interior doors, and home furniture. Snaidero is the leading Italian manufacturer and distributor of fitted kitchens in Europe. Snaidero has been committed to the production and installation of tailor-made luxury kitchen designs for over 75 years. Snaidero's success lies in its never-ending quest for excellence through beauty and good workmanship. Continuing with the Snaidero legacy, Snaidero Houston started operations in 2015 with a mission to bring the finest made-in-Italy modern kitchen cabinets to homes in the Southwest U.S. region. Our showroom, located in the prestigious Upper Kirby Business District, is a fine recreation of Snaidero's unique design style, providing a complete overview of its exclusive made-in-Italy contemporary kitchen cabinets. Call us today for an appointment or use our website contact form to tell us more about your project. We will connect you with the services to fit your needs. Snaidero Houston, exceptional Italian home cabinetry. I hope to see you in our showroom. Have a wonderful day.